Now, when Brad Chandler started his today, this was literally happened today. We were recording. How it was coming across in the beginning was awesome. Actually, it was awesome, but not podcast awesome. What do I mean? I thought of Brad like he is the valedictorian at his university, and it's the graduating class. He's been in the school for 3, 4, 5 years. He knows a lot. He knows a lot of people. He got great grades. He was decent at speaking, and he gets behind the mic. It sounds like he's speaking to an audience. It sounds like he's being professional. It sounds like he's being formal. It sounds like he's being perfect. And that's the part where I don't think that the listener, you or Brad's listener or my mom's listener, is going to resonate with the person who's trying to be perfect. I don't think you would resonate with me if I wasn't willing to mess up my words every now and again, if I wasn't willing to pause where I was and repeat myself, if I wasn't willing to say or or like or some of these other filler words, if I was needing to impress you, if my heart was, I can't look bad, I can't look unprofessional, I can't look informal, I have to put on a good face. If honestly, if that was if that's where I was coming from right now on this episode, most of you would be uncertain if you could even trust me. Most of you would be like, hey, I don't know if this is his real personality. I don't know if this is how Adam would talk to his best friend, his spouse, his kids, his close relationships. He's trying to impress me, and that scares me, because if he's trying to impress me, then what is he hiding? And when we have these incongruencies of like being perfect, trying to be perfect, trying to impress versus trying to speak from our heart and give from a good place, there's a subliminal message that comes out in our voice inflections, that comes out in our demeanor, in our attitude, that actually blocks people from being able to connect and start doing business with us.